Yeah, buddy!
What's up?
That's it. Come on, dude.
Do you consent to be in our YouTube video?
I'd rather not.
Okay.
I told you, dude.
Alright, I'm deleting this. Where we going right now, Sam? Boy.
Yeah, you tow hook in order to go here.
Come on, Sam.
Come on.
Good, Sam. Come on, man. Good, dude. Come on. Tight.
I mean, I think anything you start like from the ground, I won't tell anyone there's a pad stack. Oh man, you make that look like shit.
Oh! Yeah!
That hurt.
Yeehaw.
Sorry, it's a dead carcass.
Get Oliver. Come on.
Come on, dude.
Work
Lock
it.
it up.
Work it. That's it. That's it.
Because everyone saw it as a risk, right? That there was the risk that like, okay, gay people are subversive.
Come on, Sam.
Yep. Yes, sir. Locked.
Good.
How do you not find this? That thing. Nugget. Ooh, jittery cocoa. Inspiration.
The first two holes on this are pretty dope.
That was an amazing route.
0 stars.
If that gets, like, that's what I'm saying, man.
That's how we felt about the one by Sun.
Yeah, that
Spot.
one was amazing, too.
That's off. That's what he's saying.
The way I'm doing it?
Yeah, that's out of bounds. Yeah, dude, come on.
That is.
Yeah,
Nice.
come on. Very nice.
Good, man. Ooh. Spooky!
Jeez.
Nice, Sam.
That's pretty good.
It's a good climb.
That one is very loose.
Yeah.
I might. Power of knowledge, dude.
I can't.
Come on. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Yeah, come on. Nice.
Woo!
Nice work.
Fuck yeah.
Just like if you fall, you take me out.
Yeah, that's definitely true. I mean, you don't want to fall up here.
Or vice
anyway.
versa.
I don't really want to be falling up here.
I never want to fall.
Never want to fall.
You got it, Owen.
Oh my fucking god, dude. Holy shit.
Yep.
Yeah, that was sketchy.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah.
That was fucking scary.
That's a great. That was good.
I didn't quite climb as good that time.
Good commitment. Good commitment.
Kids love it. Wow. It's so easy to drink.
Come on, Sam. Come on. Good, Sam. Come on. Yes, dude. Come on.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, just.
Come on, Sam. Oh yeah. What? Oh, was that a first ascent?
I'll just witness.
That was the first ascent, y'all.
We just witnessed a sick first ascent.
It's not the wizard, it's the wand. Okay.
Yeah. Come on, dude. Yeah, come on.
So safe. Come on.
Yes! One more, come on, dude.
Yes,
oh!
Dude.
Oh my god! Come on, Oliver! Yes! Yes! Fuck yeah, dude! Let's go! He's still going. Fuck. He's still going. Dude. Yeah, boy! That was.
Yeehaw!
Nice one.
I'm back.
Come on. Nice, dude. Come on. Very nice. Good, dude. Oh, Jesus. Nice. Pads?
No.
I mean, I think we were looking at it, I was like, we have enough pads to maybe try it. Not enough to feel like super comfy on it. So if I like broke down and the moves feel like pretty confident.
What's this boulder? You see the one?
So that's frailty.
Oh, okay.
So that's clogging, the one that's like hanging over, and then left is clogging and right is frailty, where main food is.
Nice.
Nice, dude.
Hello.
So it's here, right? Yeah. Cool. That's so dope.
Wow, okay, that one's a lot easier up there. Yeah. Obviously not. I'll be crazy if your digestive tract works that fast.
Identify your pads. Yes, dude.
Woo!
Oh, Billy.
Oh, nice, Oliver. Thank you. Oh, shit.
The rig's out,
Get
boy!
the rig out!
Come on.
Come on, dude.
Fuck yeah, dude. Come on.
Get it.
Hell yeah, Owen.
Come on, dude. Get. Hold it.
Come on.
Come on, Alan. Come on.
Yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Come on, right there.
What's
Big corn and glory.
that?
Yep. Glory
Big Rig's
hard.
Boogie.
That rig.
Yeah, so it's like basically just go back to the jokes you were gonna finish on
Yeah.
anyway. Swear.
Chip boy! Woo!
Hell yeah.
Oh!
Skew! Oh!
More points, though.
Come on. Ooh, I like that. And like stem your foot off that little dimple to get your right foot up looks dope.
Yeah, it was really cool. It's like kind of scary because the landing, but like you're just on such jugs. Even if you like stick, I don't think you'd necessarily go in the bad part.
Nice, dude.
dude.
Damn, that is very true. One more time.